In this, the final video of Unit 3, we're going to talk about writing your cover letter for a specific job. We will prepare for the second assessment of this unit, where you will first write your own cover letter for a job. You will then read another student's cover letter and fill out a checklist while reading that person's cover letter. Typically, as we discussed in Unit 1, in the United States, you will find job advertisements in newspapers, job websites, or company websites. After finding a job you like and are qualified for, you will apply for that position. To apply, the employer will usually ask you to send a resume and a cover letter. After completing Unit 2, you should already have a resume. Now, after completing Unit 3, you should write a cover letter to accompany your resume. To help you write this cover letter, we're going to ask you to choose one of two options. Option 1 is to write a cover letter for this job advertisement for a client services coordinator. It's the same one we saw in Unit 1. Option 2 is to find a job advertisement by yourself and apply for that position, remembering to upload it along with your resume. This may be a great option for you if you are currently applying to jobs and have found a posting that you'd like to respond to. As you write your cover letter, try and remember all the things we have discussed in this unit in relation to writing a cover letter. Go back over the previous videos if that helps you, and look at the other sample cover letters used in this unit as a guide when you write. Take your time doing this, and like when you wrote your resume in Unit 2, ask someone you trust to read through it a few times after you finish it to check it for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Good luck with this.